This is my favorite place, Rawang Waterfall, mostly known as Sketching Forest. There is 7 tiers when you see it, and the sound of flowing water. Just listen, your stress gone immediately. Just look around with me and just feel it. This is one of lava, mostly known lava tree. This place, mostly children and adults can swim well. We can say safe. We know as they have consist of 7 tiers, 7 levels. In reality, they have so many tiers, so many beautiful tiers. This is popular tourist destination in Kuala Lumpur. Let's go to level 4. Oh, I forgot. I want to talk about this monkey. They are so cute. Everywhere you can see it, beware. They're gonna be grab your food. Be careful. This is my experience. Believe me, they grab my snacks too. Here we are again, another level. I think this is level 4, but mostly said it's level 5. I'm going up. There you can see so many levels too. And now you can see the next tier. This is last tier for the next level. This is the last tier for level 4 and more higher. Because the rest level of 5, 6 and 7 you have to use only footpath. Most of visitors do not venture beyond level 4 because concrete stop and there. This level is so beautiful, but only few people have. For the next level, you need to well-worn footpath. Furthest way to get require climbing up a steep and sometimes rocky tree. It takes half an hour. If you effort a little more, you can reach the most beautiful place of level 7. You worth it.